Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to see your Facebook password even if you forgot it. So in Facebook, as we usually know, Facebook doesn't allow us to see our recent password, but we can just create a new password by using our current password. But if you have forgotten your current password, you can just try. If you have saved your password through your Google account, you just have to go to any Google service and go to manage your account. And then here, tap on the search icon on the top right and search for password manager. And if you have saved your Google or Facebook password in your Google Password Manager, you can find it in here. So yeah, this is how you can just use Google to see your Facebook account, Facebook password, even if you have forgotten it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.